Okay, so this is something we really try to drill home because we see so many people not get this right, and it just doesn't help you if you don't get it right. And that is generic positioning versus specific. If you say we run a real estate fund, that's what a lot of people say when you shake their hand over coffee, or we run a high tech company, or we are a social media app or something like that. Then you look generic and you blend in with 1,000 people on the beach like this, and no one knows whether you're valuable to work with or not. If you have a position that's very tight, then you might just be one of two or three people doing what you do. And from the investor's perspective, you might be the only person doing what you do. So it's important to keep in mind that even in a space that has 5 competitors or two or three, in their mind, you might be the person. And even if they found out about another one or two, maybe they give them one phone call or email, but if they like you, trust you, and have met with you, then they're very likely to work with you if you're the most customized and well-crafted for their problem that they're looking to solve.